Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Golding. I am in your math packet on page 13, and it says problem 1, but it's the only problem on the whole page. So we're going to look at this problem. In case you're looking for page 12, the last problem on the paper, I think there was some information missing from that one, so I'm just going to skip it. So we're on page 13. So here's the deal. Take a nap. No, don't take it. Yeah, naps are a nice part of remote learning, right? Because you can't do that. Well, some of you do that in school anyway, don't you? Take naps. You shouldn't, especially in my math class. All right, so here's what we're doing. We're interested in knowing how fast different animals can travel. So we called our local zoo, which I guess that would be Indianapolis, and we wanted to collect some data. Oh, the table and dot plot. Did you just yawn? They say if you watch somebody yawn, it makes them yawn. Okay, here's the maximum speed in miles per hour that an animal can travel over a quarter-mile distance. Quarter-mile distance. My maximum? I'd hate to know. Okay, so a chicken and a pig. Not so fast, right? Although if the chicken was about to be caught, he might run a little faster. I don't know. Snakes, they go pretty fast, I guess. Elephants, you think that's really their speed though, or are they just bigger so they cover more ground faster because they're so big? That might be cheating, right? Grizzly bear, I've always heard they're pretty fast. You're supposed to play dead, I think, if they chase you. I don't know if I could do it. A cat, that's as fast as a deer. Huh. A rabbit, pretty fast. A mule's like a horse. A jackal. What's a jackal? Jackal. I'm gonna have to look that one up. An ostrich. They're fast. And a zebra. Okay. So we have all these speeds, and they're nice and neat from least to greatest on our chart. Now they've taken this information and put it on a dot plot. And we use those dot plots in class quite a bit. So the question says, name an observation about the data shown in the dot plot. Okay, so here's a couple things that I want you to learn about this. Okay, so in statistics, when we are talking about the number of observations in a data set, we use the variable n. N is equal to how many animals we actually have here. And that n is going to be represented by the number of dots. So we could either count in our chart or we could count our dots. So how many observations do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so whatever we're going to use this number of observations for a couple things. It can help us find the median or the middle piece of data. It can help us also find the mean because you have to divide by the number of data that you have. That's n. Okay, so let's do that. Let's find the median, middle. If there's 12 pieces of data, we will want to find the sixth, right? Counting from the bottom. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the sixth, and actually the 6.5, right? It's not really important. We're going to draw a line right there. Okay, so that line represents the median. And since both of them are 30, we don't have to worry too much, right? So the median is 30. That's an observation. Now let's find the mean, right? So you're going to add up all of those and you're going to divide by 12. See if you can do that on your own. Another observation is that the variability or the spread is kind of broad. So from 9 all the way to 40, it's pretty variable. So our spread is high. All right, I hope this helps you.